Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zari McQueen, and today's video will be all about my banging bangs and how I achieved them. And let me just be the one to say, like, I'm super proud of myself just because I never thought that I'd see the day where I could do my own, like, full head, my own bangs. And I love bangs, and it's so crazy because I honestly have wanted bangs again for so long. I've been looking for like bob bang wigs, I've been looking for long wigs, and I just have not like found one that I like. So I took matters into my own hands, and here we are. So the hair that I'm using is courtesy of Lumiere hair. They are a company on AliExpress. You guys know I love me a good AliExpress vendor, and I know that you guys do too. And guess what, this one is super affordable and it is super of quality. So basically I have in 3 bundles and a free parting closure. Yeah, I love closures. Y'all know I'm team closures. I have in 20, 22, and 24 for the bundles, and an 18-inch free parting closure. This hair naturally came in this color. I use all 3 of my bundles, and I have like this much left of the 20-inch bundle, and I really do like how the look came out. It's not too thick, and it's not thin either, so it's like the perfect balance, because when I was going for this look, I really didn't want something too thick, too bulky, and I didn't want it too thin. And I feel like Lumiere is like perfect because they allowed me to get that balance. So yeah, so if you want this look with 18-inch closure, 20, 22, and 24, you're gonna be dropping about $104, which is not bad at all. That is super affordable, and especially for this quality that you're getting, honey, like, come on. The hair has not given me any problems with shedding, no problems with tangling. I can run my fingers straight through it. Oh yeah, and I don't think I mentioned, but this is the Brazilian straights. So yeah, not body wave or nothing, this is it. All I did was run the flat iron through it a couple of times, and here we are. So yeah, I'm loving this hair so far, and I'm definitely, feeling the bangs, and I'm glad that this is the hair that I use, because I really feel like I can get a lot of, use, wear, and time out of this hair. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial, and I'll show you guys how I achieved these bangs. For more information, make sure you check down below in the description box, and if you have any questions, of course, be sure to leave them down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Let's get started. Alright, so the first step to bangs is going to be basically gathering all the hair from the closure, and you're going to bring it into basically into this little ponytail in your hand. And once you do that, as you would normally part your natural hair to do a bang, this is seriously the same process. You're just going to go around the perimeter, and you're going to part evenly on each side. You're going to part a little bit of hair from the right, then you're going to go on the left, and you're going to part as well. So just the same way you would do the natural hair, just go around. And if you want your bang thick, you're not going to, take a lot of hair down. You're not going to part a lot of hair, as you see I'm doing. But if you want it, just however you want the thickness or the thinness, you're just going to tweak it and continue parting to your liking. This part, once you get the gist of this, everything else is going to go smooth, and really just get it to how you like. I parted it, and I parted enough hair that my bang wasn't too thick, wasn't too thin. So really, you're just going to eyeball it, and this is definitely just preference, this step. And what's going to help you part better and easier is to make sure that the hair is damp or even completely wet while you're doing this parting process. This way, the hair, is trained and being molded into how it's supposed to lay. So yeah, when you train your closure and you wet it and you tie it down, same process, wet the hair so that it's easier to mold into shape, and it'll hold its shape way better and give you less work. So once you've parted your bangs and it's as thick or as thin as you would like, you're going to go ahead and spray some flat iron mist, heat protecting spray. This way you won't, be crisping up and burning your hair. And after you spray that, you're going to get your wand or your curling iron or any, heated product that will help you lay. the hair, and then you're gonna go along what's parted, and this is ensuring that it's laid, it's not bumpy, everything is smooth, and it gives you that nice effect that you're going for. So I really did make sure to pay attention and do this part, you know, for a little bit, just because I wanted to ensure that it was smooth. And once you're done with that, this is how it's gonna look. And you know, you can go back, tweak it, make sure it looks how you want. Once everything is parted and looking right, you're going to make sure to try on the wig and then go ahead and cut your bangs. There's really no way like around this step. You have to try it on to make sure that it's the right length. But it's okay if you cut it too short, because you can always just, you know, pull your wig up or pull it back. So that's what's really cool about this. Like, there's really no going wrong. So yeah, you guys, that's basically it. It was so simple, and I hope that this helps.